Strike Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Strike Wallet app promises to make Bitcoin transactions instant, cheap, and as easy as sending a text. But is it really that good? Let's break down the pros and cons to see if Strike lives up to the hype. Starting with the pros, Strike's biggest strength is its simplicity. Designed for everyday users, it allows you to send and receive Bitcoin or fiat currency instead of using the Lightning Network. That means transactions settle in seconds, no waiting for confirmations, and no expensive fees. Another huge advantage is zero-cost transfers. Strike doesn't charge users for sending or receiving Bitcoin, making it one of the most affordable options out there. You can even send money across borders without traditional remittance fees, a massive benefit for international workers and freelancers. Strike also integrates directly with bank accounts and debit cards, making it easy to move between Bitcoin and fiat currencies like the US dollar. This bridge between traditional finance and crypto makes Strike appealing for both crypto newcomers and seasoned users. On the security side, Strike is regulated in the United States, adhering to financial compliance standards. That gives users confidence that the app isn't some shady operation, it's built to work within the law. Now, the cons. One major drawback is that Strike isn't a self-custody wallet. You don't hold your private key, Strike does. So while it's convenient, it's not ideal for users who prioritize total control over their crypto. Another con is limited availability. Strike is only supported in certain countries, meaning global adoption is still a work in progress. Finally, while Strike focuses heavily on Bitcoin, it lacks multi-asset support. If you're looking to hold Ethereum, stablecoins, or altcoins, you'll need another wallet. In conclusion, the Strike Wallet app is a powerful, user-friendly way to send and spend Bitcoin instantly. The surprising truth? It's not meant to be a full crypto wallet, it's a fast, accessible payment tool built for the real world.